Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel today. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and in this video we're going to show you 4 carbon fiber products made for the Nissan GTR R35. This completed carbon fiber look for the GTR includes products that will upgrade your R35 from the front to the back, including 2 carbon fiber hood vents, a 2-piece set of carbon fiber pillars, a carbon fiber roof, and a carbon fiber trunk that has a ducktail spoiler to accentuate it. Now, with weight reduction being a major goal and very important to successful speed aficionados and up-and-coming racers, Vicrez Carbon Fiber Products are not only ultra lightweight and extremely durable, but they are the optimal upgrade for your 2009 to 2016 Nissan GTRs, as you'll have a product that is up to 80% lighter than the factory parts that came stock on your car. And with fitment including the GTRs manufactured from 2009 to 2016, you'll be pleased to find that you too can get the look with these products. Starting off with vz100391, a 2-piece set of carbon fiber hood vents to accentuate the stock vented hood that is standard on just about every Nissan GTR model. These vents do come in a set of 2, so you'll have both the left and right side pieces per every one order. Installation is super easy. With an OEM fit, you'll be able to insert these carbon fiber vents directly into your existing hood vents. No cutting, no drilling, or modifications needed. Now, how awesome is that? Now, these carbon fiber hood vents can be used for multiple applications across several different car makes and models too. There is really no limitation to any vehicle, even those whose cars do not already have the stock vents in place. Just measure, cut, insert, and go. Show your hood what's good and add these vents to your Honda, your Toyota, Beamer, 350 and 370Z, or even to your Mustang, Charger, Corvette, and Camaro. The possibilities are endless, for if you want it, you too can have it with just a few quick steps. Add vz100560 to your R35, and you'll start to really notice the streamlined design of your GTR. Truly made for an aerodynamic machine, these carbon fiber pillars are an OEM replacement for your GTR's stock A-pillar panels. So for those who are wanting a subtle upgrade, to those who are looking for the perfect product to finish up their dream GTR build, prepare to pop off those boring black pillar pieces and get ready to enjoy these carbon fiber killer pieces. A cosmetic upgrade that everyone will notice every time you take your R35 for a drive. Don't just take my word for it. Check out vz100389. Our OEM Nissan GTR carbon fiber roof that customers are absolutely raving about. 5 reviews from 5 customers that are all rated 5 stars. With Vicrez, you get the products that you like with top quality that you love, all from a company that you can trust. Made to fit 2009 to 16 R35 models, the sporty carbon fiber roof boasts an easy installation as well. Only a few steps are needed to secure this thing into place, and most of that is just the proper prep work needed to lay down the footwork prior to installation. You'll fall in love with the new look of your GTR with this roof in place. It's everything you never knew that you needed. So turn up the heat at your next car meet and don't just show up, but show off. And they'll hate to see you go, but love to watch you leave with vz101051. The Vicrez GTR carbon fiber trunk that offers exclusive Duckbill style spoiler. Wrapped up like a 1-piece 6-pound present, which for your 09 to 16 R35 models truly is a gift, since it weighs in at nearly 14 pounds less than the stock trunk sitting on your GTR right now, which, in case you didn't know, weighs a whopping 20 pounds. So reduce that curb weight, revamp your curb appeal, and don't bother to curb your enthusiasm. Because if you like what you see, stay tuned. We have new videos out weekly. Just do yourself a favor and hit that like button below. Head on over to our YouTube channel to subscribe, and if you want to get the 411 on the newest deals and discounts, have them sent straight to your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.